Most people think you need $1 million to live off dividends. That's a lie. Or at least it's a half-truth. While $1 million is the ultimate end goal, the momentum starts much smaller. There is a specific portfolio structure that hits $100 a month in passive income much faster than traditional buy and hold strategies. I've spent years analyzing the intersection of yield, growth, and stability to map out the fastest path to that first $100. I've helped thousands of investors stop guessing and start building systems that actually pay them while they sleep. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain. I'm going to give you a step-by-step portfolio walkthrough. We'll cover exactly which assets to look for, how to balance risk, and the exact math you need to hit $100 a month from scratch. By the end of this video, you won't just have a strategy, you'll have a repeatable blueprint for your first real passive income stream. Let's dive in. You've heard the dream. Financial freedom. Waking up to money in your account without lifting a finger. But then you look at your bank account, and it feels impossible. You see these gurus talking about living off dividends, but they always say the same thing. You need $1 million portfolio. That's the lie that keeps most people paralyzed. You think, I don't have $1 million, so why even start? Meanwhile, your 9 is draining you. Inflation is eating your savings. Your rent is going up. The cost of living is skyrocketing. Every month you wait is a month of compounded growth you're throwing away. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for a paycheck that barely covers the basics. It feels like a trap. You want the passive income, but the gap between where you are and that $1 million goal feels like a canyon you can't jump. But here is the truth. You don't need $1 million to start feeling the wind. You just need a system that focuses on the first milestone. Not the million, the first 100. The secret isn't finding one magic stock that pays 20%. That's usually a trap. The secret is the architecture of your portfolio. To hit $100 a month, you don't need a miracle. You need a system. Let's break down the math first. If your portfolio has an average yield of 4%, you need about $30,000 invested to generate $100 every single month. Now, if you don't have $30K sitting in your bank account, don't panic. That's where the hidden strategy comes in. We aren't just buying stocks. We're building a 3-tier dividend engine. Tier 1, the anchor. These are the dividend aristocrats. These companies have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years. They aren't flashy. They aren't going to 10x overnight. But they are the bedrock. They ensure your income never disappears. Tier 2, the accelerator. This is where we boost the yield using rates, real estate investment trusts. REITs are required by law to pay out 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. This is how you jump from a 2% yield to a 5 or 6% yield without taking insane risks. Tier 3, the engine. This is for the growth. We use dividend growth ETFs like SCHD. Instead of picking one company, you're buying a basket of the best dividend growers. As these companies grow, your payout grows, even if you stop adding new money. Now, here is the step-by-step walkthrough to actually execute this. Step 1, open a brokerage account that supports fractional shares. This allows you to buy $10 of a $300 stock. You don't have to wait until you're rich to start. Step 2, turn on DRIP. This is your secret weapon. DRIP automatically uses your dividends to buy more shares of the same stock. You aren't spending the money, you're using it to buy more money-making machines. Step 3, build a monthly ladder. Most stocks pay quarterly. To get $100 every month, you pick companies with different payment schedules. Company A pays in January. Company B pays in February. Company C pays in March. Repeat that cycle, and suddenly your bank account pings every 30 days. That is how you turn a random collection of stocks into a predictable passive income stream. To build this, you need the right tools. I use because it makes automating these buys effortless. To track every cent I use, it tells me exactly when my next payment hits, so I don't have to guess. Now let's be real. $100 a month isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight. But think about what it actually does. It pays your internet bill, your gym membership, your streaming subscriptions. Forever. You've just deleted a recurring expense from your life. That is the power of passive income. Once you hit $100, the path to $1,000 is just a matter of scale. If you want more blueprints to reclaim your time, hit subscribe. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description. Stop trading your time for money. Start building your machine.